So guys, if you remember last time I unboxed these shoes that I got from DHgate. If you remember, I cut this tank here and someone challenged me to cut the whole shoe just to show you guys what's really inside these DHgate shoes. And remember, I got this from DHgate. So today I'll go ahead and cut the whole shoe and I tell you what's really inside this Jordan. So follow me as I cut this into pieces and we get to see what's really in this pair of Jordan 1s. So first of all, we shall come like this, extra laces, and this is the tag. The first thing that we should do is cut off the tongue. Once the tongue is off, it won't be speaking. So we cut off the tongue, and what's in the tongue? This is like a mattress sponge, nothing but sponge. And what do we have here? This is the insole, and what size is it? Size 11. This is size 11. So next, what shall we cut from these? I think we should do this. It's no cutting. I don't know why they're fake, but they're so hard to cut. Yes, like that. After this is our second piece that I've cut from our Jordan. It's still not letting me cut it, but as you can see, at least I got a piece of it. Here's the first. Go ahead, chop these ones more. Since they are plain too hard to get, we shall get a knife right here. The scissors did this, and then the remaining will be for the knife. This is what we're left with. So this one goes to those that worship sneakers, those that can die for sneakers, and those that will do anything for sneakers. Is it really worth it? I mean, it's just a piece of material like this. 1 minute it's like this, and then the next one, and this is all it takes. So what's the lesson that we learned today? Is that invest your money. Stop buying sneakers and invest your money. It's not worth it. The $200, the $300 that you buy sneakers for, invest your money. I mean, at one point this was worth $200, but right now it's worthless. This is all it takes to lose the value of this. From $200 sneakers to totally nothing, because this is all that we have here. This is all that we have left. this is all that we have left. But is it worth the $200, the $500, $1,000 that you all pay for sneakers? No, it's not. Invest your money. Invest your money. Invest your money and stop buying sneakers. So guys, thanks for watching. That was all for today. I just made this video to show you that the money that you all pay for sneakers is not really worth it. So instead of wasting that money on sneakers, just invest your money on something that will give you a return. All these are liabilities. Like with $200, you can literally put it in crypto, you can put it in stocks, and you don't have to drain your savings just to go and buy expensive sneakers to impress people that don't give a fuck about you. Invest your money and stop buying sneakers.